go at doing a little bit of an experiment today. Are you ready?
You will need some paper and a pen. 1, 2, 3 pots or bowls. A jug of water. A hairdryer or a scarf or something that we can use to make something warm. And some ice. If you haven't got any ice, maybe a little bit of ice cream from the freezer, or you could put some water outside and see if it freezes overnight.
So, the first thing we're going to do for our melting experiment is you need to lay out 1, 2, 3 bowls with a piece of paper. And we're going to label these pieces of paper. In each bowl, in a minute, we're going to put an ice cube. In the first bowl is going to be ice on its own. So we're just going to write the word ice. I would like you to have a go at writing this word down. Practice those letter formations, okay? In the second bowl, second means number 2. We are going to have ice with some water. Water. What's that first sound in water? That's right. Wiggly, wiggly worm. Water. I can also hear the t sound, okay? So some of us might write water like this. Or let's try and Fred talk water. Or That's writing water with our sounds. It's really important we have a go at writing these words independently so we become more independent with our writing. Now, water is actually one of those words that likes to trick us, and we really write water like this. We wouldn't say water, would we? So it's absolutely fine if for now we are writing water like this. It's really important we're becoming independent with our writing and saying our sounds, okay? So these are some different ways that you might write the word water, but when we come on to spelling, it's actually written this way. And in the last bowl, we'll have ice cube, but we are going to add some heat. We want to make it hot, okay? Let's Fred talk hot. Down the horse to his hoof and over his back. Off all the way round the orange and down the tower, across the tower. Well done. And it's up to you whether you do this by using a hairdryer like I'm going to do, or you might want to wrap the ice cube in a scarf or a tissue to make it warm. I'm going to leave that completely up to you.
So as you can see, I've got my 1, 2, 3 bowls here, and I've added 3 ice cubes to each bowl. Now remember, this bowl we're going to leave as it is with just the ice. This bowl I'm going to use my jug of water, and I'm going to pour some water inside. And the last bowl, I have got my hairdryer here, and I'm going to plug it in and hairdryer the ice cubes. You can stop. So John's class, can you see the bowl? I have made a little bit of a mess. Sorry, mums and dads. The bowl that had just ice in, the ice cubes are still here. They haven't completely melted yet. I think that's because it was still quite cold in this bowl. The ice cubes that had water in, they've melted quite a bit, but they are still there. Now the
ice cubes that we had the hairdryer on have completely melted. Can you see? Did this happen in your experiment? Now that tells me that something is hot must really melt the ice. I wonder what that means for all of the ice in Antarctica and the Arctic, and what's going to happen to the penguins and the polar bears' homes, because they need the ice, don't they? Ooh, interesting. Tell me what you think.